All right, I got this 2018 Toyota Sienna from my cousin that has a problem. The common problem, center console latch is broken. So best way is to replace the whole thing, I was told, but I found out there's a way to actually fix the mechanism inside. So I'm gonna show you how to do it to save some money, I guess. Maybe we're saving a little bit, but anyway, here we go. First thing to do is to remove this, and turns out this just pops straight up. So it's not like screwed or anything like that. So make sure, just give a, you don't pull sideways, just make sure it pulls straight up. All right, after kind of struggling to pull out, you can see the whole thing comes off. So not like the 2017 and previous auto model that you have to remove this part only. Looks like this one just whole thing pops right up, and there it is. Right, the reason why that don't work is there's supposed to be a plastic this prong has to be out. As you can see, those are broken. It's broken off. So if I drill this plastic and put some kind of a needle or some kind of a thicker metal rod, actually this will reinforce the mechanism rather than replacing the whole thing with another plastic piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that. So I have this latch right here, and I need to drill a hole. It's probably like 1/16, but rather than trying to drill that one, I think I'm just gonna use a thin soldering tip to make a small hole. Okay, the hole has been made. I just gotta polish that up a little bit and put the little metal clip, piece of metal clip right in there and polish it. So obviously you don't want to cut it too short and have a short piece. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it enough so I have a lot of room to work with. So that's plenty. So I know it has to be just slightly out, but that much. So it looks like I can cut a little bit more. Okay, so still maybe too much, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna polish it. Okay, from here on, I'm gonna glue this side so it doesn't move. Once this dries up, from there, if it doesn't go in, I just have to, trim it little by little. Okay, so the whole key is to have this go right in. The end tip needs to come out here through it, but just make sure that prong is just enough for that to slide right through. So I can see it. It's in there, but doesn't go all the way in, so indicating the prong's too long. So I'm gonna have to cut it a little bit more. Okay, trimmed it a little bit more. Let's see if it goes in. Okay, whole trick was to actually, I kind of missed it, but you just have to like pull this up to, you know, align the thing, and then all you have to do is, you can see whole thing just pops up, and it's just gotta be careful. It's spring loaded, so make sure springs in there, and then you just have to kind of like put it in halfway and get it in there. You can see the prong came out, and then press it down. Wait, you gotta lock it in. Then you can see it's moving. So that was it. So the length, it just, you know, just have to come out maybe 2 millimeters, and let's see if it works. So got it down, got it. So now I got this clip fixed with the paper clip, so it's pretty much permanent. I think normal plastic breaking off. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email. No, actually leave a reply. I try to leave a comment and try to reply as much as possible. Thanks for watching.